You do not have to wait for your I-751 removal of conditions application to be adjudicated to file your naturalization. My name is Elizabeth Garvish. I'm the managing member of Garvish Immigration Law Group. I am back with you on this Wednesday for a Wednesday win, where I'll tell you about one win we've had in our immigration practice. We just had an interview last week, which was a joint removal of conditions form I-751 and naturalization N-400 interview. When you get your green card through marriage to a U.S. citizen, you will get a conditional green card if you've been married under 2 years at the time of adjudication. And then you must file a form I-751 to remove those conditions, and you file that 2 years later at the point where your green card will expire, 90 days before. And if you're still married to your U.S. citizen spouse, you may file for naturalization at the 3-year mark, and you can file 90 days before. What I advise everyone to do is immediately when you're eligible for the benefit for the removal of conditions, you file it, and then when you're eligible for the naturalization benefit, you file that. Many times you may not have an adjudication on your removal of conditions. Go ahead and file the naturalization because they will adjudicate both applications together. You do not have to wait for your I-751 removal of conditions application to be adjudicated to file your naturalization. Some people miss that. Our case that we're celebrating today is actually a 751 N-400. She filed a joint 751 initially. She actually separated and got divorced. We had to file a waiver for her. She was eligible for naturalization at the 5-year mark. We filed the naturalization for her at that time. We got 2 interview notices. One was for the 751 and one was for the N-400, the exact same date and time. The same officer adjudicated both. My client walked out of that interview with her oath ceremony scheduled, both cases approved. She will be a U.S. citizen coming very soon. And I know she had a very tumultuous experience with her relationship. She certainly didn't want to have a breakup in the relationship. There was a lot of trauma and some issues. He was incarcerated during their marriage, so she didn't have a lot of choice, but she was thrilled. We were thrilled for her. This was the end of a long saga of not knowing what her future was going to look like. And today she knows what her future is going to look like, and it's really bright. That's our Wednesday win, and I hope you have a great